Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Emily. If you've been struggling with low energy, brain fog, or feeling just not quite yourself, today I want to talk to you about a supplement that's been making a real difference for many people, MITOLYN. Before you decide to buy, please stay with me for the next few minutes. I'll explain how it works, why it's different, and most importantly, how to make sure you're getting the genuine product. First, a quick warning: there are fake versions of MITOLYN out there. The only safe place to purchase the authentic supplement is through its official website, which I've linked in the description below. This helps you avoid scams and ensures you get the quality you deserve. So, what is MITOLYN? It's a science-backed supplement designed to support mitochondrial health, the tiny powerhouses inside your cells responsible for generating energy. When your mitochondria function well, your entire body feels more energized, your metabolism improves, and your brain operates at its best. MITOLYN is especially helpful if you're facing chronic fatigue, sluggish metabolism, or the natural effects of aging. As a doctor, I know that supporting your cellular health is one of the smartest ways to boost overall well-being. Using MITOLYN couldn't be easier. Just take 2 capsules every morning with a glass of water. There's no complicated regimen or restriction, you just need consistency. Does it really work? Clinical research supports the ingredients used in MITOLYN, and thousands of users have reported increased energy, clearer focus, and improved stamina within just a few weeks. What I also appreciate is MITOLYN's 60-day money-back guarantee. If you don't notice a difference, you can get a full refund, no questions asked. It's a risk-free way to try a supplement that could really change your life. So, if you're ready to reclaim your energy naturally and support your health at a cellular level, MITOLYN is a great option. Just remember to order from the official link below to ensure authenticity. If you found this information helpful, please like this video, subscribe for more health tips, and leave your questions in the comments. I'm happy to help. Thank you for watching, and hair race to your health and vitality.